Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's boy Sam from Palantir Train here, and today guys, we are jumping straight into PLTR, which is the ticker symbol for Palantir Technologies. Now, it took me a while to actually say this right. I've tried it twice now, and I tried to record this video twice, and I keep messing up the name of the company, so if I do it within the video, I do apologise, but I think it's Palantir Technologies. So we're going to roll with that. But before we get into this video, guys, I want to thank you all. We have hit 200 subscribers on Armada Trading in such a short amount of time, and I can't thank you guys enough. And if you want to continue the trend, guys, in this whole bullish formation, then please do hit that subscribe button and like the video. So today, guys, I just want to make this clear as well before I get into the video that I am in no way, shape or form a financial advisor, and please take anything I say with a pinch of salt. I'm simply a university student studying business and management, but I am actually currently taking an open course for stock trading. So, you know, I'm trying to further my knowledge because I feel like it's unfair for you guys that I'm still like learning this. So I want to try and gain as much knowledge as possible to improve the videos, improve the quality of the videos, and I hope you guys appreciate it. And if you appreciate it, drop a sub and a like. But anyway, guys, so Palantir Technologies, what is the company? And I've been wondering the same, but I recently found this company on Reddit, and I wanted to do a bit of a deeper dive into it because it looks very interesting with a lot of the recent news that I found, and also the financial position, but we are going to talk about that in just a second. But Palantir Technologies builds and deploys software platforms for the intelligence community in the United States to assist in counterterrorism investigations and operations. It offers Palantir Gotham, a software platform for government operatives in the defense and intelligence sectors, which enables users to identify patterns hidden deep within a data sets, ranging from signal intelligence sources to reports from confidential informants, as well as facilities the handoff between analysis and operational users, helping operators plan and execute real-world responses to threats that have been identified within the platform. So guys, long story short, Palantir is a security company, pretty much. They help like make our country and the United States, well, actually mainly the United States, a lot safer, and they make technology for the government to use and also for commercial use as well. So pretty much, guys, the shareholder statistics for Palantir are currently as follows. So they currently have we actually currently own a 75.61% shareholding in this company, which is as much as a lot of the other companies. And there is a shareholder within this company, Pltr, who owns 7.29%. If I go into company executives, he is the co-founder and chairman. So that is who owns 7.29% of the company. And then you have Founders Fund, Sompo Holdings, Disruptive Technology, and BlackRock. They all own a combined share of around 15%. So this company has got a lot of, well, it's not all owned by us. So there are other factors we have to bear in mind when investing in this company. But, you know, it's still we still have a solid stake within the company, so we don't have to worry too much. Now, the main financial composition of this company and where a lot of the revenue streams are, it is 53% commercial right now and 46% government. So they are selling more commercially than they are currently to the government, but only by a very small percentage. So that is where the majority of their income is coming from. And if I go in terms of region, so they sell 39% to the United States, 33% to the rest of the world, 16% to the United Kingdom, and 10% to France. So that is where all of their operating income is currently coming from. So now we've got that out of the way, we are going to quickly look at their financial statements, their quarterly cash flow. I love looking at their net cash flows because it gives a real good indication of how well this company's doing. So the net cash flow for this company is looking very, very strong, actually. So their beginning cash flow, so compared to their Q3 cash flow to their Q4 cash flow, so they've gone up by around $0.3 billion. And their end cash position is currently up by $0.2 billion. So there is a very good sustainable growth trend within this company. And that is why the company keeps raising its value of shares. And I still think this company is undervalued. And I think this is a good long-term play because this company has shown signs of growth. And you know, as long as they keep reinvesting that money smartly and they keep improving their company portfolio and you know upgrading their assets, then they are only going to keep increasing in value. Now, it has to be said that Fintel currently have a short interest ratio on PLTR at currently 18%, which is still reasonably high. So we could actually potentially see another squeeze. It's not going to be anything like the AMC or the GME squeeze, nothing like that. But 18% is still considered a high short percentage, and we could see a squeeze incoming at some point in the not so distant future, I reckon. So, graphical analysis time. So, PLTR, it currently has 5 touch points for this support level that I've created here. Obviously, this did sort of go slightly below it, but this seems to be a very solid support level because it currently has 5 different touch points. And if you look at the graph, it's currently at quite a mellow point, a little bit of fluctuation here and there, but it's sort of leveled out at around the $28 mark. Now, this is being said, that Goldman Sachs actually did put a $34 price target on this stock here. And the reason for that is because of their strong financial position. They keep improving. And within the article that I'm going to put on the screen, they have showed signs of a strong sustainable growth, which is what I was mentioning before. So that has influenced their price target. And as you can see, actually, as the ticker symbol, at the start of this video, it was at 28.4 and it's now at 28.61. So people are catching on to it, and the demand for this company is actually increasing. And through the volume as well, you can see that at the start of the market, when the market was released, there was a massive bite into this company, and then we start seeing a bit of a sell-off, and we're starting to see a bit of a buy spree again now, which is all very, very interesting. And you know, with all of the knowledge that I know, I wouldn't be surprised if this company within this year is actually level at $34. Actually breaking the $40 mark in places as well. It has shown very strong signs of this as well. So I also want to make this clear as well that Palantir shares did fall slightly after the fourth quarter loss, but they did beat their expected revenue. So they beat their revenue expectations. So they did fall a little bit in share price. So now actually would not be a bad time to buy because they fell because of the news of their actual. So they made a loss pretty much, but their revenues, their revenue share price or their revenues went up. So that's what I was trying to say. So their revenue has increased. However, they did make a loss. So that means that this company right now is currently trading lower than what is expected of them in the next year. So this company is actually undervalued, and I can genuinely see this being a very good buy in the future and definitely one to keep your eye on. Again, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I am just telling you what I see, and I do a lot of research into these companies before making these videos to ensure that you are all fully informed of these stocks and to try and help you guys make some moolah. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for new. We are really, really on the way to 300 subscribers. I was about to say close, but we're not. But we are getting there. And every single day that goes past, you guys are giving us a platform. And I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you all for watching. This has been your boy Sam from Palantir Trading. And I'll see you next video on the channel. In a bit, guys.